Yesterday, this TikTok was posted and a student sent it to me because they were studying for their registry and freaking out because the answer that they got is not even listed. So I looked it over and realized that, yeah, it is not a correct problem. There's a lot of distractors going on in here, but also one of the distractors is that the answer is not listed. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to remind everybody that you really should be following reputable sites, especially if you are in school. There are a lot of x-ray professors out there who are doing TikToks, Instagrams, YouTubes. I highly recommend that you follow them, button pushers being one of them, so that you get accurate, correct information and not get misguided, because I could totally understand why everyone would get confused with this. So what this question is really asking is direct square law. It's asking, if you look at the very bottom, it's saying what mass is required to maintain the same detector exposure. If it's asking for mass and we're changing SIDs, that means I'm going to be doing direct square law, also known as the exposure maintenance formula. That formula is set up as mass old over mass new equals SID old squared over SID new squared. So to figure this out, I'm going to have 20 mass over X equals 90 squared over 150 squared. The 85 kVp is a distractor. You don't need to worry about that. So you're going to square your numbers, cross multiply, do your whole direct square law, and that's going to give you an answer of 55. But remember, it mentions in here that when we are switching to that 150 centimeters, we're going to switch to a 12-to-1 grid with a Bucky factor of 5. So I need to multiply that 55 times 5, which actually gives me about 277, 278. So the correct answer should be a new mass of 278, which, as you can see, isn't even listed.